Lung cancer, one of the most common cancers across the world, is affecting more people as time goes on due to increased exposure to risk factors like smoking and air pollution. 1 in 16 people will be diagnosed with lung cancer in their lifetime, as per Lung Cancer Research Foundation. More common in men than women. Lifestyle factors play an important role in lung cancer prevention. Smoking causes around 90% of lung cancer cases, as tobacco smoke has a range of harmful chemicals that can increase risk of the disease. Quitting smoking is the best thing you can do to prevent this deadly form of cancer. Apart from this, your diet can be tweaked to incorporate foods that are high in fiber, vitamins, minerals and protein. Many studies over the years confirm that what we eat can have a profound effect on our chances of getting cancer. For instance, a diet rich in high-calorie foods, sugary beverages, and processed products like chips, burgers can increase your cancer risk. According to a study published in journal Food and Function, a plant-based diet can cut risk of lung cancer. The diet has various micronutrients and antioxidants like vitamin B12, C, D, selenium, folic acid, and carotenoids, which can prevent development of carcinogenic tumors and increase overall health. Here's a list of foods that can cut the risk of the deadly disease. Foods that can reduce lung cancer risk. Broccoli. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and bok choy have a sulfur-rich compound which can give a strong fight to the cancer. Besides, these vegetables are also rich in indole 3-carbinol, which can repair cell damage caused by carcinogen exposure. Broccoli also supports immune function with its rich supply of vitamins and minerals, enhancing the body's ability to fight off illnesses. Spinach. The green leafy vegetable is a good source of folate, an important B vitamin which can help repair cells. Folate has also been found to lower the risk of lung cancer. Folate can protect cells from tobacco carcinogens. According to American Institute for Cancer Research, spinach contains beta-carotene, vitamin C and fiber. It also has potential cancer-protective phytochemicals that can reduce risk of the disease. Papaya has antioxidants like beta-carotene and lycopene, which help protect cells from damage that can lead to lung cancer. Additionally, its high vitamin C content boosts the immune system, potentially lowering cancer risk. As per BMC Complementary Medicine and Therapies, various compounds in papaya have anti-cancer effects. The fruit also has chemopreventive properties, including activating tumor suppressor genes, deactivating oncogene products transcriptionally, and minimizing oxidative damage. Ginger. The age-old spice and herbal medicine. Ginger has a compound called 6-rogol that may prevent development of lung cancer. As per studies, it may also lower the risk of metastases from a cancer already present, as per a study published in Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. Apart from this, it can also help relieve the side effects of chemotherapy such as nausea. Flax seeds. Eating flaxseed regularly can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. As per a study published in HHS Author Manuscripts, a research on an AJ mouse model found that dietary flaxseed supplementation significantly reduced lung tumor incidence and multiplicity induced by the tobacco smoke carcinogen NNK. Flaxseed-fed mice exhibited lower tumor incidence and fewer lung tumor nodules, with decreased adenocarcinoma incidence, potentially due to flaxseed's impact on signaling pathways, inflammation, and oxidative stress. This suggests flaxseed may be an effective chemopreventive strategy against lung cancer.